Yo, keto ones. Now, these are reminiscent of taquitos to me. And then whenever I think of taquitos, I think of my friend Francis, who I call Cal. We would buy taquitos at the work convenience store all the time. So whenever a craving would hit, we'd say to each other, I see taquitos in your future. Oh, such memories. Now, these may not be taquitos, but they are definitely deliciousness. Let me show you. Welcome to my kitchen. Okay, so the filling can be anything you like. You can put your own spin on it. You can add or subtract from this recipe. It's totally your call. So we're going to go ahead and start with a filling, which I just kind of did like a jalapeno cream cheese, but I kind of added a little bit more to it to give it more of a Mexican style feel. So let's get into it. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna preheat our oven to 350 degrees. And then what I want to do is just go ahead and get my jalapenos and my fresh cilantro sliced up. So I have some jalapeno here that I've already sliced in half and de-seeded. I'm just going to get these sliced into ribbons. And then we're going to go ahead and dice this up. And then go ahead and set that aside. Then I also have about a teaspoon of fresh cilantro that I'm just gonna get chopped up. Then we're gonna go ahead and set that aside. All right, so in our bowl, I'm gonna add about 4 ounces of cream cheese, softened. And then to this, we're gonna add our jalapenos, which is about a half a cup. That's about 2 large jalapenos or 3 to 4 small ones. Then to this, we're gonna add our chopped cilantro and about a teaspoon or 2 of minced garlic. Salt and pepper to taste. And then we're gonna squeeze in a half a lime. Perfect. We're just gonna mix that really, really well and go ahead and set that aside. All right, and now we're gonna go ahead and melt our cheese. So I have 6 slices of cheese here, and you want to use something really melty. Like I have some cheddar cheese, pepper jack cheese, and some mozzarella cheese. And we're just going to place these on a baking sheet lined with a silicone mat, or you can use parchment paper. And you just want to place them evenly on the mat. And then these go into our 350 degree oven for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until the outside edges are brown and crisp. Then you're just going to remove these from the oven, allow them to cool for about a minute or 2. Then we're going to place about 1 to 2 tablespoons of the mixture on one side of the cheese slice and tightly roll. Just make sure you have the seam side down. And there you have it, you're done. An easy snack. You have cheesy deliciousness on a plate. I hope you get inspiration from my kitchen. Like and subscribe to come back for more, and comment below if you're gonna add these cheesy roll-ups to your snack repertoire and what kind of filling you're gonna fill them with. You can connect with me on any of my social media listed below. Thank you bunches for being here, and I'll catch you back here for more deliciousness.